Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Here's our question for today. I'm taking guitar lessons and I am getting better, but sometimes I revert back to my old habits. Should I just give up and accept it? This is actually a really good question and something that's been plaguing a lot of players. When they start to work with a guitar teacher or a guitar coach, they're developing their playing, they're getting better, and they can see that they're getting better, but every now and then, especially when they're playing live or practicing with a band, they kind of revert back to their old self. So what can one do? First of all, let's make something clear. This is totally expected. It's something that's supposed to happen. Don't worry about it. If you keep on practicing the right way, in the way that your guitar coach or guitar teacher has outlined for you, you will get better, and slowly everything you do is going to be, let's say, with the right way and not with your old bad habits. It's important to understand that you can never actually unlearn a habit. So you never forget the wrong way and now or you have only the good way. What happens is the bad habit gets weakened through loss of repetition, and the good habit gets more and more repetition, so when it's time to play, your brain uses the new habit to play the specific thing. So don't worry about it too much. Especially if you are in a musically stressful situation and you feel that you're being judged in some way, so if you're playing live or if you're playing with a new band, if you're auditioning for a band, this stress might trigger your older kind of playing because you feel more comfortable with that because you've probably been doing it for a longer time. So don't worry about it. Once again, it's supposed to happen every now and then. Just make sure you don't give it any more practice time. So it's okay if it happens a couple of times you're playing live, but when you go like to your wood set, to your home and practice, just practice the proper way that your teacher has shown to you. The important thing is to keep the bad habit atrophied and to give the good habit as much practice as possible. This is the golden rule you have to keep in mind, and this is what you should try to do. And just don't worry about it too much. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful and you're not going to worry too much about the bad habits every now and then coming back into your playing. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach.